For being the smartest man on earth, Trump sure knows how to screw himself over. The New York Appeals Court reinstates Trump's gag order in his civil fraud trial. I can't wait for him to go down. Hopefully his family goes down with him.
Now to breaking news out of the New York City trial that threatens former President Donald Trump's massive business empire. Just in the last few minutes, an appellate court reinstated a gag order that bars the former president from commenting on the judge presiding over the case and his staff. Joining us now is MSNBC legal analyst Lisa Rubin. Lisa, good morning. So what is this all about today?
So President Trump and his lawyers, there are gag orders affecting both of them, Jose, have moved for a stay of the gag order. They were granted that stay on an interim basis while an appeals court in New York considered their motion. Today, we're hearing news from 4 judges in the First Department, which is part of the appellate court here in New York, reinstating that gag order. Their 2-page order is extremely terse. They just say that having read all of the papers filed by both President Trump and his team, the Attorney General of New York, Tish James, and her team, and finally, the New York State court system on behalf of Judge Arthur Engoron and his law clerk, having read all of those papers, they are denying the motion for a stay of those 2 gag orders and are lifting the interim stay. Now, of course, the appeals of the gag orders themselves are still continuing, but practically speaking, they won't be decided by the end of this trial. And that means for the duration of this trial, we should expect that former President Trump and his legal team continue to be under an order that denies them the right to speak about any of the court personnel. Unlike the D.C. Circuit, unlike the D.C. court where the gag order that was in effect was broader, the one in New York solely concerns court personnel, and particularly the principal law clerk that assists Judge Engoron with this case. Those are back in effect as of today, and not a moment too soon, Jose, I would add. Just last night, Donald Trump posted something to Truth Social talking about Judge Engoron's wife and the law clerk.